Elijah, you know you can get up. You can get up like a big boy. You can get up like a big boy, Elijah. Elijah, get up, buddy.
You just stole from the store.
Elijah.
You just stole from the store.
Get up, buddy. I just changed his diaper, and even though he can, if you sit him on the floor, he can crawl, he can pull up on things, he can get all around. But when you lay him down to change his diaper, he cannot figure how to get back up by himself. Elijah, sit up, buddy.
He's squirming like a fish. Mama.
I'm making a video.
Shh. Who are you talking to?
The video. Elijah, can you get up, buddy? Get up. Get up. Elijah, can you get up? Elijah, can you get up, buddy? Roll over. Get up, Elijah. Get up. Get up. Get up. Roll over. Roll over.
Mama,
What, bud?
can I have ice cream?
Not right now.
No. What's I going to eat it? You need the filter. And the filter.
Alright, you back where you started. Now you gotta roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll. Look, now you can get up. Yay, Elijah. Elijah. Elijah.
Hi, Molly. Hi, Molly.
It's for anybody that watches it.
Oh. Hi, anybody that watches it. Hi, anybody who watches it. Molly. Hi, Papa, Molly, Grandma, Molly. Hey, everybody watches it. Grandpa Bob.
Oh, no. Faith, go throw this away for me.
And Grandpa Bob. And Demo.
Elijah. Here, come here. Oh, Elijah, make Morgan feel better. Elijah. Say bye-bye.